What it do, YouTube? It's your boy JB Food Reviews, and I go hard for this. So today we're gonna be reviewing some Tostitos lime chips. Pass it to me. I said, pass it to me. Thanks for the assist. So we got these Tostitos lime chips. So that's, yeah. And at the end of this video, we gotta talk about something serious, but for the review. So we got these chips, they're Tostitos, obviously. Tostitos, awesome. So yeah. Let's get right into the review. So, oh boy. So we got this chip, has a bit of green on it. Let me focus it. It has, I don't think you can see it. It has a little bit of green on it. Here, this one. There. So it has some green on it, you know. And yeah, let's go for a taste test. Okay. It's pretty good. Go for another one. Good. One more. Ready? YouTube. Right off the bat, you can taste the hint of lime. And it's freaking delicious. It's really good. And it tastes just like normal Tostitos chips. But you taste lime instead of, yeah, you get it. And yeah, it's super good. It goes really good. It's really good with guacamole and salsa and queso dip. Super delicious. And yeah, I give this 2 superbs because Tostitos nailed it again, coming up with these amazing chips. And comment down below what I should review next. And yeah, now for the series part of the video. We have lost a member of the food review of our channel. We've lost Bailey. Bailey doesn't want to do food reviews anymore because it's just not his thing. And everyone, just pray that he'll come back and he's up and he's good. He wants to do this again. But for now, he has quit, and I'm very disappointed in him. Very, very disappointed. And yeah. So that's the series part of the video. Make sure you comment what food I should review. I still gotta do jalapenos for my boy Gavin. And I still have to do a tech deck montage for my lit boy Chase, so that will be coming soon. JB Food Reviews signing off.